Okay, good morning. So I'm here at 616 North Ocean Breeze. The front yard is massive, and that house just did a major addition. So according to this seller, you can put a pool up front, but I think we need to confirm that with the city. But it is a very big front yard, and the vegetation is great. It's a super cute house. It's small, but it's really cute. She's got great features. Looks like she has panels for everything. This is a little side yard that you can walk into as well. So you have all of this here. So that's a nice little garden. It's a bigger space over there. She's moving because she needs a bigger house. She's got a 7-year-old that's a little cramped. So we walk in. There is a bunny here too, by the way. So you walk into this little vestibule here, and that is where that great room is with that nice ceiling right here. And then you, to the right, you have a bedroom. And look, a bunny they found on the side of the road. So this bedroom shares this bathroom, which is the master bath. And I'll go in. Oh, she's so silly. And there's just the curb with no curtain or anything around it. So I'm wondering how the water gets up. It doesn't get everywhere. And then you've got this there's a closet behind here, which is probably just storage, I guess. Oh no, that's the air handler. You've got shelves there to make best use of the space. Hi, sweetheart. And now I'm in the master bedroom. So the bedrooms are both share that one big bath. And here is the bedroom. It's got that nice vaulted ceiling, and then there's this little shelf up there. Oh, looks like she's got a bunch of stuff stored up there. I want to step on the bunny. So a nice size room, and then there's that huge open closet. That's amazing. The laundry and the water heater are in there as well. It's got that fun chandelier. Hi, Bon. Hi, Bon. I don't want to step on you. And you walk out to the living room, dining room area. So that was that front entrance. So I walked in and I went that way to the bedroom, through the bathroom to this bedroom, and came back out. But she's put some fun features, really cool doors and nice trinkets. And this is the kitchen, butcher block counters. The wood floors are in fairly good condition. There's a little bit of damage over there, but that's comes with an older home. And then all the cabinets are that sort of rustic French countryside type of vibe. And I will take us outside. And she's got this little covered area here. And this is real grass?
Turf.
It is turf. Okay, so I thought. So this is all turf, which makes things nice and easy. And you've got just a little setback that side. And so this is this area here. And then it goes around to this seating area as well. which is kind of fun. Look at that little fountain there. I don't think it's actually a fountain that shoots water. Let me see. I'll ask her if there's a. Oh, I just got spider webbed. Oh, there is a hole at the top, so it probably is a fountain, but it looks like there's just guppies in there right now. It's pretty green, needs to be cleaned out. And then there's this air conditioning, and then this is that gate from the front entrance. But this is all turf here in the back, but that's real grass up front. And it is a aluminum siding house. So that's it. Here you go. The whole kit and caboodle. And I'll do one little pass through inside. It's super charming for a little house. It's really, really cute. All right, so there you go.